Hey guys, today I'm working with a matching Kenmore washer and electric dryer set. And right now I've got this one hooked up. It's going on a deep wash cycle. You've got tons of other settings here. You can pause and look through those if you want, but a setting and a cycle for just about anything. And right now it's filling up with water, sensing the load size. So it's going to determine how much water to use with these clothes. And of course, like I said, I got it on the deep wash because I like using a little bit more water with these. Anyway, we're gonna let it go ahead and move through sensing. I'll show you that it's all filled up with water, that it washes with the agitation plate on the bottom, drains the water out for the rinse cycle, and then that we have a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. Then when we're all done with that, I'll come over and show you that the dryer, there's the matching dryer, is also working perfectly. So we'll allow this to move through here and we will come back. Okay, we moved over to the wash cycle and it has stopped quite a few times, added more water as it goes along, continuing to sense, but just about full submersion there on the deep wash cycle, and it started vortexing those clothes down in and around themselves along the agitation plate on the bottom, and that's the method this machine uses for cleaning. I'd also like to mention that typically you wouldn't be able to open this lid up. I just got an additional lid lock switch, that switch right there. I bought an extra one so I can put it in there and show you all what's going on, kind of as if you're standing here yourself checking it out. That way you can see everything's working the way it's supposed to. But we're gonna let it move on through the wash cycle. I'll show you that it drains the water out of the rinse cycle next. All right, we're draining the water out. You can hear that drain running nice and fast there. Just about got all the water drained out there. And then we'll do the final spin cycle next. Okay, we're moving into the final spin cycle. It's gearing up to that top speed, which is nice and fast. It's actually pretty fast, super fast. Extracts max amount of water out of those clothes, cuts your drying time in half because those clothes are so much lighter. It's kind of a part of the HE designation. You see it's nice, smooth, sounds great. And it's kind of cycling that pump on and off to get the water out as it extracts the water out of those clothes. So there we go, we'll let that finish up and I'll move them over to the dryer. All right, we've got the clothes pulled out of there. You can see it's nice and clean and empty. I removed my little lid lock bypass switch. Now we've got the dryer going. I've got it set to time dry. We'll kick the heat on high. You've got wrinkle guard, push to start, and then you also have a cycle signal. It's great to be able to turn that off if you want to, if you have kids sleeping or pets or something. You've also got a full auto side here that you can set it and just kind of set it and forget it. I always just kind of let it rip on high heat, max settings. I am going to show you that it is heating like it's supposed to. So I got a surface temperature gun. It's about 79 degrees on the top of the dryer. If we point it on the ground, you can see about 69 degrees. So we'll go ahead and open this up. I'll shine it right inside the heating element tube. You can see tons of heat coming out of the tube right there. That'll in turn heat the inside of your dryer up anywhere from about 95 to 195. Just depends on how hot you've got the setting up here. So we hit start. See, it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. So we'll go ahead and get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.